Hey everyone, welcome back to True North Investing, where we break down the Canadian markets and smart ways to grow your portfolio in 2026. This week, the TSX has been on fire. The S&P TSX Composite hit multiple record highs, climbing to around 33,029 points as of mid-January. We're talking fresh all-time highs above 33,000 for the first time ever. The index posted strong weekly gains earlier this month, up over 2% in the first full week, driven by solid momentum into the new year. Key drivers? Materials led the charge thanks to rising gold prices and safe haven demand amid ongoing global geopolitical tensions. Financials also held strong with resilient banks, while energy had some mixed days as oil prices fluctuated with news around Venezuelan supply and potential shifts in North American flows. Overall, the market shrugged off softer domestic data and focused on a positive broader outlook. Year to date, the TSX is already up nicely, building on a blockbuster 2025. Commodities like gold continue to shine, and there's optimism around potential trade stability and infrastructure support. Now, how should you invest in this environment? First, stay diversified. The Canadian market is heavy in financials, energy, and materials, so lean into those sectors but don't go all in. Precious metals and mining stocks have been strong performers, and many analysts expect that trend to continue with geopolitical uncertainty lingering. Second, quality over speculation. With the Bank of Canada likely holding rates steady around 2.25% through much of 2026 after last year's cuts, borrowing costs are reasonable and the economy shows resilience. Focus on companies with strong balance sheets, good dividends, and exposure to growth areas like critical minerals or infrastructure. Third, think long-term. Markets are at records, so volatility is possible, especially with U.S. trade talks and global events. Dollar cost average into solid ETFs like the broad TSX index or sector-specific ones in materials and financials. If you're newer to investing, start simple. A low-cost TSX ETF plus some individual names in gold miners or big banks can give you great exposure without overcomplicating things. The bottom line, 2026 is starting strong for Canadian equities. Momentum is on our side, but smart, patient investing wins. What are your thoughts on the TSX rally? Drop a comment below, smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe with notifications on for weekly Canadian market updates. Thanks for watching. Invest wisely, and I'll see you in the next one.